Here's the main compressor unit. What's that part do?
This is to reduce the rattling.
For the legs?
Yeah.
Down here?
Yep.
Your unit have it right now?
My unit doesn't have, the old one doesn't have that.
Okay.
I didn't see that one.
And then we have electricity. Then we have water lines. And we have a
There's no drain line.
drain line. And then we have a conduit or a grommet out of the wall. And then the 16-inch copper line has already been brought over here. We're going to disconnect it from the original unit. Again, we're doing this because our original one failed. There's a leak somewhere. That's the original one. So this is the one we're going to remove. We have to open somewhere. And we're going to replace it with this one.
Yeah, we need to wrap this up too.
Okay.